Today's breakfast has been sponsored by Mr. Albert Elisha, Lishmat Yitzchak ben Elisha. Baruch Hashem Tinichenu, begin his Kol Mitzvot, Chazak Ubaruch. We'll take a one-day pause from our Halacha Lashon Hara and speak about the change of the Tefilla B'ez Hashem this evening. We'll hear it probably many times when it's important to remind ourselves of the Halachot. B'ez Hashem tonight in Arvit, tonight's December 4th, so in Arvit this evening, we switch from Barechenu to Barech Alenu in the Amidah. Now, the most important part of the Barech Alenu is the line V'ten tal umatar livracha. We don't say that in Barechenu, but in Barech Alenu we do. So we'll quickly explain the scenario and the halachot if someone forgot and at what point in the Amidah he still is. So obviously we should pray with kavanah, out of a sidur, especially these few days. So we make sure we say correctly Barech Alenu instead of Barechenu, and make sure we say V'ten tal umatar livracha and continue it as normal. Now, what happens if someone forgot? So it depends at what stage of the tefillah, of the Amidah you are in. If you forgot Barech Alenu and you finished the beracha, we'll start with the first scenario. If you began Barechenu, but I did not yet say Baruch Atah, then realize, it's Barech Alenu. No problem, jump to Barech Alenu, say Barech Alenu, V'ten tal umatar livracha, continue as normal, no harm, no foul. What happens if you finish the beracha? So there are many different checkpoints. Well, we'll try to keep it relatively simple and easier. If you finish the beracha and you began the next beracha of Tekah b'shofar, then you have to wait until Shema Kolenu. In Shema Kolenu, you can insert before the part Ki Ata Shomea Tefillat Kol Peh. If you insert the line V'ten tal umatar livracha, again, those four words are the integral part of the beracha. If you insert those four parts in Shema Kolenu, that works. Check, and you don't have to go back, you don't have to repeat. Continue, Ki Ata Shomea Tefillat Kol Peh, Baruch Ata Hashem Shemei Tefillah, and you continue. Very good. What happens if you didn't remember? Then if you finish the Amidah, you have to go back to the beginning. So if someone got up to the second Yehulah Tzon Mirfi, and didn't say V'ten tal umatar livracha in Barechenu, or he didn't say it in Shema Kolenu, and he started the bracha b'ritzeh and he didn't say it, then Halacha says he has to go back and start from the beginning of the Amidah, and obviously have in mind to make sure to say it correctly. So again, the advice that Rabbi Chaim always gives is, these days when we have a change in the Siddur, a change in the Tefillah, pray out of a Siddur, focus with kavanah, and understand, put a reminder, or some sort of mechanism that we remember that it's Barech Alenu instead of Barechenu, and that way we won't make any mistakes, and we'll be able to do it in the most ideal way. And even if someone does make a mistake, this is what the Halacha prescribes, different checkpoints, different markers throughout the Tefillah, that you can make it up until you have to go back to the beginning. Chazak Ubaruch.